When it comes to home improvements, particularly window replacements, homeowners in West Valley City face a unique set of climate-related challenges. The area experiences a semi-arid climate, characterized by hot, dry summers and cold, snowy winters. These weather conditions make it crucial to select windows that can withstand extreme temperature fluctuations, provide energy efficiency, and protect against harsh weather elements. Here's a closer look at how West Valley City's climate affects your window replacement choices and why it's important to choose windows that suit the local weather conditions. Energy efficiency for hot, dry summers. In West Valley City, summer temperatures can soar above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, leading to high cooling costs. If your current windows are outdated or inefficient, you may be allowing cool air from your air conditioner to escape, forcing your system to work harder and driving up your energy bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize this heat transfer by offering better insulation and solar heat control. Double or triple pane windows. Windows with multiple panes, typically double pane or triple pane, are much more effective at insulating your home. The gas-filled spaces between the panes, usually argon or krypton, act as an additional barrier to prevent heat from entering during the summer. This allows you to keep your home cool without overworking your air conditioner. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E glass coatings are specifically designed to block out UV rays and infrared light, which are the primary sources of heat gain. These coatings reflect solar heat away in the summer while allowing natural light to pass through. By installing low-E windows, you can significantly reduce the amount of heat entering your home and maintain a cooler, more comfortable indoor environment. Choosing energy-efficient windows can help reduce your cooling costs and improve your home's comfort during those hot summer months in West Valley City. Cold, snowy winters and insulation need. On the flip side, winters in West Valley City can be cold and snowy, with temperatures dropping well below freezing. In these conditions, drafts and heat loss can make your home feel uncomfortable and increase your heating costs. This is where proper insulation and airtight seals become critical. To keep your home warm and energy efficient during the winter, consider these window options. Double or triple pane windows. In addition to their cooling benefits, double or triple pane windows also offer superior insulation during colder months. The multiple layers of glass and the gas between the panes create a thermal barrier, preventing warm air from escaping your home and cold air from entering. Insulated window frames. The frame material also plays a role in your window's ability to insulate your home. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are excellent insulators because they don't conduct heat, unlike aluminum windows, which can allow heat to escape. By investing in windows with strong insulation properties, you can keep your home warmer during the winter months, reducing the strain on your heating system and lowering your energy bills. UV protection for the sun's intensity. West Valley City is known for its abundant sunshine, and the UV rays that accompany it can cause significant damage to your home's interior, including fading furniture, flooring, and artwork. When choosing new windows, consider windows that offer UV protection to help preserve your home's interiors. Low-E glass. In addition to its heat-blocking properties, Low-E glass also offers UV protection, reducing the harmful effects of direct sunlight on your furniture and flooring. This is especially important in West Valley City, where sunlight can be intense for much of the year. Tinted windows. If you're looking for additional protection from the sun, tinted windows can block UV rays while maintaining visibility. These windows can help reduce glare, keep your home cooler, and protect your interiors from sun damage. By choosing windows with UV protection, you can extend the life of your furnishings and keep your home looking fresh for years to come. Storm protection for wind and weather resistance. Although West Valley City doesn't experience hurricanes, the region can still be prone to windstorms and snowstorms. High winds and debris from storms can damage your windows, leading to costly repairs or replacements. Therefore, selecting windows that are both durable and weather-resistant is important. Impact-resistant windows. If you're concerned about storm damage, consider installing impact-resistant windows. These windows are designed to withstand flying debris and extreme winds, providing extra protection for your home. While more commonly associated with hurricane-prone areas, these windows offer peace of mind in any region prone to severe weather. Strengthened frames and glass. Fiberglass and vinyl frames are typically more durable than traditional wood frames, offering better resistance to harsh weather conditions. Additionally, opting for laminated glass or tempered glass provides added durability against impact and breakage. Consider the aesthetic appeal. Finally, while performance is important, your windows should also enhance your home's overall aesthetic appeal. West Valley City features a range of architectural styles, from modern homes to traditional designs, and selecting the right window style can make a big difference in the curb appeal of your home. Choose windows that complement your home's exterior and create a harmonious look while offering all the functional benefits required for the local climate. Conclusion. Choose the right windows for West Valley City's climate. When replacing your windows in West Valley City, it's important to select windows that are specifically designed to handle the area's extreme temperature fluctuations and weather conditions. Whether you're focused on energy efficiency, comfort, or protection from the elements, the right windows can help improve your home's insulation, reduce energy costs, and enhance its appearance. By working with a professional window replacement company, you can choose the ideal windows for your needs and ensure that your home stays comfortable and protected year-round.